Hey there, fellow travelers. Ready to explore the Eternal City? From ancient ruins to stunning art, Rome is a treasure trove of history and culture just waiting to be discovered. I'm JJ, and I'm so excited to share my passion for Rome with you. So grab a cappuccino, settle in, and let's dive into 7 must-know tips that will help you navigate the city like a seasoned traveler and make the most of your Roman holiday. Here are 7 things you absolutely need to know before you visit Rome. Picture this. You're standing in the heart of ancient Rome, surrounded by the towering walls of the Colosseum. You can almost hear the clash of gladiators and feel the energy of this iconic amphitheater. Built nearly 2,000 years ago, the Colosseum is a testament to the power and ingenuity of the Roman Empire. To avoid the long lines and midday heat, consider visiting first thing in the morning or later in the afternoon. You'll have a more intimate experience with this ancient wonder. Next up, we're venturing into the smallest country in the world, Vatican City, the heart of the Catholic Church and home to some of the most breathtaking art and architecture on the planet. First on the agenda, St. Peter's Basilica, a masterpiece of Renaissance design. Step inside and you'll be greeted by a breathtaking expanse of gilded ceilings, intricate mosaics, and Michelangelo's awe-inspiring dome. And speaking of Michelangelo, don't miss the chance to lay your eyes on his iconic frescoes in the Sistine Chapel. The Vatican museums can get quite crowded, so I highly recommend booking your tickets online in advance. Let's be honest, no trip to Rome is complete without a visit to the Trevi Fountain. This Baroque masterpiece is a sight to behold, with its cascading waters, mythical sculptures, and the constant clinking of coins tossed in hope of a return visit. The Trevi Fountain is particularly magical at night when the crowds thin out and the fountain is illuminated. It's the perfect time for a romantic stroll or simply to soak in the ambience of this iconic landmark. Chapter 4. The Pantheon, a temple to the gods, and free entry. Prepare to be amazed by the Pantheon, one of the best preserved ancient buildings in the world. This architectural marvel was once a Roman temple dedicated to all gods, and stepping inside feels like taking a step back in time. As you gaze up at the Pantheon's iconic dome, a feat of engineering that remains unmatched, take a moment to appreciate the ingenuity of the ancient Romans. The oculus, the circular opening at the top of the dome, allows sunlight to stream in, creating an ethereal glow. And here's the best part, entrance to the Pantheon is absolutely free. Chapter 5. Roman Forum, where history comes alive. Get ready to step back in time at the Roman Forum, the bustling heart of ancient Rome. As you wander through the ruins of temples, basilicas, and triumphal arches, let your imagination run wild. A word to the wise, the Roman Forum is vast, so comfortable shoes are a must. Chapter 6. Patza Navona, Fountains and Flavors. Patza Navona, one of Rome's most beautiful and vibrant squares. Take a stroll around the piazza and admire the 3 magnificent fountains, each a work of art in its own right. Patza Navona is also a great spot to indulge in some Italian flavors. Pull up a chair at one of the many outdoor cafes, sip on a creamy gelato, and watch the world go by. Chapter 7. Spanish Steps, a stairway to heaven or at least a great view. Our final stop takes us to the iconic Spanish Steps, a monumental staircase that connects the Piazza di Spagna with the Trinità dei Monti church perched atop the Pantheon hill. From here, you can see the rooftops of Rome stretching out before you, a sea of terracotta tiles and ancient domes bathed in golden light. After you've caught your breath and snapped a few photos, take some time to explore the surrounding area. The Spanish Steps are located in the heart of the fashionable shopping district, so it's a great place to pick up a souvenir or two. Otro arrivederci Roma. That's it for our Rome tips. I hope these insights inspire you to pack your bags and experience the magic of the Eternal City for yourself. Remember, Rome is best savored slowly, so take your time, wander off the beaten path, and embrace the unexpected. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel adventures. Ciao!